Dirty Great Nissan. Dirty Great Nissan. This is my mission today. We've got nice clean lamps already, so that's a bonus. Yeah, I'm cleaning this one today. This beast. This considerable monstrosity. He's considerably grubby in places. And we've got all manner of scratches down the side, on the front bumper. Excuse the noise, that's my servant bringing me my jet wash. More scratch.
Change the windscreen in the van.
Yeah?
Monday.
Right.
And that chap, he come out and he videoed all around the van. I said, what's the idea of that then? He said years ago we used to do it. You just go around with the customer and say, there's a scratch there.
That's right. Cover yourself. Yep, so you can't get done for anything, any damage you've done.
So he said, I'll take a video of it when I put the screen in.
Yeah. Before and after.
Yeah.
That's what this is. But I stick it up on YouTube as well. Yeah. So I'm just looking at all the bits of scratches and stuff that won't be there afterwards. Some will, like that one may still be.
Yeah.
That portion of it, but not all of that. So it's little things like this which I'm picking out, and because this isn't like a major deep clean, but it's going to be a good clean.
Yeah. I mean, that chap changed screens then. They had one chap came in with he had a convertible car.
Yeah.
The roof was down, and he said he drove it straight into their workshop. And he said, just left the keys in it. Off you went. He said, I'll come back in a couple of hours. Quite a nasty one, that one.
Bless.
I didn't even notice that. Well, that was there when I bought the van.
You'll be surprised how much of that comes out.
Yeah, that was there when I bought the van, and I never saw it, never noticed it.
Gee. Yeah, you'll be surprised how much comes out. Yeah, it don't look too bad. It's just grubby, grimy, and you can just see how mottled it is, and all the dirt itself is actually getting cleaned off by the bushes that you're going past. It ain't been done in a while, has it?
I just run the pressure washer over it.
Yeah, no, this will lift it big time.
I was getting a bit pissed off with pressure washing it.
Yeah.
That's why I missed that wheel over there altogether, and bits and pieces I missed of it. I didn't get more than that particular the pressure washer.
Yeah.
I just done the little van. I'd had enough.
Yeah, so it's cool.
Yeah,
it's good.
The chap in with a convertible parked it in the garage. They put a screen in. They said then they just reversed it out the garage, put it on the forecourt. They said a couple hours later the bloke came back.
First wash, jet washed, been quick soak with some chemicals, get all this greasy grime off. Most of it's gone with its ton on there. About to go over it with a mop, not mop, polishing mop. I mean, I'd like a sponge mop, hand wash. Still a load of grit on here. Get that off first. But yeah, bit of a beast. Getting there. Well, that's part one. Part two begins. Hand wash and rinse off. Done. Not bad. Actually sort of see some decent paintwork under here now. Yeah. Hello everybody. Guess who? So yeah, we've got a very nice potential of a real good clean up here, because this is looking pretty good already. Once we get rid of these scratches, which is going to be amazing, because you ain't going to have a clue how I've got rid of the scratches. But yeah, coming up alright. Wheels have come up lovely, which is a real bonus. Couple of tar spots on them. Get rid of those shortly. Yeah, there you go. Right, so far, so good. clay barred all over. It's even better. Yep, still dripping, so just got to wipe this down after I rinse off from the clay bar. Make sure I get rid of all those tiny little bits of grit. There's still some stuff hanging around on this, dripping off in places. That'll come off in the wipe. But yeah, you can still see that like the paintwork is still very, very dull. You can still see all these scratches and stuff and bits and pieces all over it. We will soon get rid of those. Some of these have been touched up with touch-up paint. Like there. Bit of a bad job as well, really. Well, it's not too bad. It's just that it's probably more touch-up paint on this paint than what there is actually in the scratch. Bless them. So, onwards. Well, there you go. Ta-da! Hello. Yep. We're good to go. Look at it. A lot better. A lot better. Still could do with a tickle here and there, but size of it. Dun, dun, dun. Plastics need sorting out, but he ain't too worried about that at the moment. He just wanted it looking reasonably better than what it was. And I think that's beyond reasonably better than what it was. Big old beastie. A few oddities here and there, a few dents. That was bird crap. Can't get that out for love nor money. And he said, don't worry, leave it. Lots of these scratches are gone. Some of the big ones are still there, obviously. But cleaned up, not too bad. It's been resprayed before, this has. There's it's like all this hasn't been, this section here hasn't been flatted properly, and there's orange peel all over the place, blah 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 blah, all over in bits and pieces. But there you go, that's my job for the day done.